Nathan, I have to be honest, I'm a little bit confused by this brand new Toyota Venza. And the reason for that is, I suppose I really don't quite understand where it fits into the scheme of Toyota's lineup. So if you want utility, get this Sienna, right?
The minivan?
Yeah, if you want off-road kind of SUV-ish ability, get the Highlander. And if you want a sedan,
well, then you'd get the Camry. Aha, but see, that's where this car comes in. And because if you want a Camry with all-wheel drive, that's a wagon, this is it.
And today, we don't care about any of that because we're going to see how fast it goes from 0 to 60 in sport and drive mode. And that is coming up next
on the Fast Lane Car.
Under the hood of the Venza, we have a 3.5 liter V6 that puts out 268 horsepower and, more importantly, 246 pound-foot of torque. It's mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission which powers all 4 wheels, and I will take this from 0 to 60 in drive mode, and Nathan can do it in sport mode, and I am betting it's going to be the exact same time. Alright, while I don't get this car, there are 3 things I do like about it. I like the big wheels, I like the dual sunroof, and I like the fact that it's got a pretty gusty and powerful engine. Beyond that, well, you know, like Nathan said, it's a Camry station wagon. It's the kind of car that you drive because you need utility in your life, not because you need excitement and fun. But having said that, let's see how fast it is 0 to 60 at a mile above sea level. I think that the car is smart enough to know that when I floor it, I want all the beans. So I'm guessing it'll be the same time as Nathan's. By the way, Venza's been around a few years now. It's getting kind of dated on the inside. I was just driving the new Highlander, and much more pizzazz, much more liveliness, much more elegance in the interior design. This is a little bland. It's a little plasticky. I wouldn't call it cheap, but I wouldn't call it expensive either. Yep, sounds like a Camry, all right.
Yeah, it does sound like a Camry. Okay, you get one try to go down there, 0 to 60, come back in regular mode. Don't screw around.
All right, one try, man. I'll still tie your time.
Yeah, I bet.
All right, bye.
Bye. Vamos a espera, cabrón!
All right, guys, 0 to 60 in the Venza. I'm going to give it a little bit of gas and just floor it. There we go. All-wheel drive. I'm in D, not in sport mode, and there is 60. Yeah, it's pretty much what I expected. Check it out. 8.73, 8.73, and I'm betting Nathan will get about 8.73. Let's find out next. That's Nathan for you. He's like 11 all the time. There's no 1 through 10. It's just 11, 11, 11 all the time.
I have to be 8.73 seconds, and I'm going to put it into sport mode. I'm also going to shut off the traction control, which is right next to the trunk release, or pretty close to it. There goes the traction control. I'm in sport mode. I'm going to juice it one time. Let's go! Feels like a Camry. It's pretty healthy, though. It's got pretty good legs. I had to be at 8.73, 8.53, and I'm guessing I have about 30 pounds on Roman.
I bet she's going to try to do a handbrake, in this case a foot turn. Watch this. Do I know my man?
At least I got it to do it. It just did it more than I expected.
All right, so what was the time?
Oh, you're not going to like it.
Oh, really?
Oh,
Are you
yeah.
faster?
Let's see, this is
memory.
Memory?
Yeah.
Oh, that's 8.53.
Oh.
8.53? Wow! Nathan flew!
So it was just a little bit faster, huh?
Yeah, it helped that my bladder was empty and everything else. But folks, that's 8.53. right there.
So there you have it. Sport mode in a Venza is faster. So when
Slightly faster.
when you're racing that Highlander or Previa.
Oh, and I shut the traction control off too.
Did you?
Yeah, I did. It's okay. It didn't make any difference.
Maybe that helped.
No, it didn't.
All right. As always, this is
Nathan
and Roman saying thanks for watching. Remember, check out a new video every day and check us out on all the social medias. Ciao.
later.